down, I know you got me, baby.
Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Carti Valdez and welcome to my tutorial using Microsoft Excel. Enter example, fundamental, arithmetic operations, sorting and create chart. First, open Microsoft Excel on your laptop, then create new books. Step 2, let's enter random data now. Let's make an example data in two columns. On column A, I will enter 10 numbers which represent sales, grades, or expenses. In column B, I will enter 10 words such as name or product. For this example, I entering sample data for column A, number of sales, and for column B, fruits. Addition. To add two numbers together in Excel, I will use the plus symbol in the formula. Click on the empty cell C2, type the formula equals A2 plus A3. Press enter and the Excel will display the result. Subtraction. To subtract one number to another, I will use the minus symbol in a formula. Click another empty cell, D2. Type the formula equal A, A2 minus A3. Then, please enter to see the result. Multiplication. To multiply two numbers, I will use the asterisk symbols in the formula. Click on the another empty cells, E2. Type the formula equals A2 asterisk A3. Then press enter to see the result. Division. To divide one number to another, I will use the division symbol in a formula. Click another empty cells F2. Type the formula equals A2 minus A3. Then press enter to select to see the result. Now, I will sort my data into two ways, numerically and alphabetically. Sorting column A and scaling orders. To do this, highlights column A, go to the Data tab, sort select smallest to largest. Then click OK. Sorting column B. Alphabetically, I will follow the same process but choose A to Z. Now, I will create a chart. Select data, in a column A. And go to the Insert tab. Choose a chart. And type OK. Then, I rename the chart with my full name.